See that filter right there? That one's all clogged up. Look at that. Since this little foam filter is all plugged, I'm going to figure that this filter here also is. So I'm going to unscrew it from here. And I'm going to give this thing a good washing in the sink. But before you put this back on the vacuum, make sure it's completely dry, otherwise the dust will definitely get stuck in there. This can go into there as well, but later. So I've got a few things to clean here, and then I'm going to take the vacuum apart. There's that HEPA filter right there. This one here you can probably just vacuum. I wouldn't put this one in the sink though. The hose isn't plugged. Now I'm going to take the top of the vacuum off. It's got two Phillips screws, one here and one there. I'm going to unscrew and see what's what inside. Okay, I've just taken the cover off. And there's definitely some hair wound in there. But I'm going to pull a beater bar out and run the machine without the belt and see how the motor sounds. See, it is turning, but you don't know if there's any resistance on it or not. Okay, the beater bar, push it up here on this side. The beater bar will come out like this. And then right in here is where you get hair wound up and there'll be lots of tension. See, this side here is not spinning so good. This side. I can feel it on this side. So this definitely has to be cleaned up this side. There's drag on that side. Okay, let's hear what it sounds like without the belt on there and everything else. The motor is blowing nice air from the back end, which is right here. The light is working. Okay, like I was saying a little time ago, there was some tension. And if you look right in there, I'll point to it. Right there. Feels like now. I'll just put a little bit of, that's spinning a little bit better, but I gotta do some more with it. I got myself a little tiny screwdriver. I'm going to clean this out right in there. It definitely feels like a shoelace or something like that in there. I just don't want to break it off. I just want to get the whole thing. See, I've got that much already. Oh, broke off. Oh, there it comes. And that's partly what was wound in there. I'll keep cleaning it. There. This is what's already been wound up in there. So this side will need doing too. I'll show you what I've resorted to now. I've got a little needle here. Okay, I'm going to put the beater bar and the belt back on now. This side. This side. There, it's in there, all right. Yeah. And the seal is still good. And I'll put the cover back on. And the seal here is for the belt. Okay, I'm going to screw the filter in there. And in there. That little filter, I just got it sitting on the fan blowing it dry so I wouldn't lose it.